call these systems like ejector seats almost. If you pull the handle, you want it to work. Similarly, if you're going to deploy the tunnel ventilation control system, you want to deploy it right first time.
Testing is so important on a tunnel ventilation system just because of the large number of different modes that it can operate in. It can be quite complex and can prove to be quite a challenge for the system integrator.
The time for testing and debugging a system is before it's installed on site. So we rely on using equipment to simulate the operation of the mechanical and electrical equipment. This allows us to rigorously test all of the system logic before it goes into live operation and means that we can deliver the final system more quickly and with greater confidence.
To tackle the challenge of the testing, AIS have put together a comprehensive test suite. What this allows them to do is do full simulation of the actuators, the dampers, and allow the operator to get first-hand experience of how they will operate in a real-world environment. What this does is it takes a lot of the risk out of the project in a safe environment before it's deployed.
Of equal importance to the system is the person who operates it, and training operators is therefore a key requirement. The requirements of operators are considered from the very beginning of the project in order to provide a simple and intuitive interface to what is a complex system. On the Elizabeth line, we produced an early simulator on which the operators could train, and this has proved to be very beneficial.
Well, the final stage training is done on the final version of the training simulator. So we take the interim simulator and we develop it further so that it reflects the final build of the software. We're training the operators essentially on what they'll see on their desk when they're operating the system. The important part of this is not only just the first time we train them, but the ongoing training that we give them. So just like the safety of the system has to be maintained, so does the safety of the operator in terms of their ability to drive the system. So the use of training simulator, not just once, but on a continuous basis to refresh their knowledge is key.
The ventilation system is SIL 2, but the ventilation system includes the hardware, which we can keep up with maintenance, but also includes the operators. The operators, research has shown, can reach SIL 2 if there's a good HF design and if they are repeatedly and regularly trained. Crossrail have shown their commitment to this with their training program for the operators. Simulations played a big part in this and will help to make the Elizabeth line safe.